lines. If you take any two parallel lines, you're going to find that they're never going to meet each other even after traveling miles and miles of distance. But these parallel lines, when intersected by a transversalis, you can find that they're going to form many angles. Here, these angles, that is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4, are called as exterior angles, and angles which are known as interior, these angles, angle 5, 6, and 7, angle 8, are known as interior angles. I'm going to explain each one of them. Here, you're going to take exterior angles 3, 4. If you take two parallel lines, these are outside of parallel lines 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8 are inside of these parallel lines. Therefore, interior angles, and those four are exterior angles. You can find out even many relations if you take these two lines when intersect. These are known as vertically opposite angles. This angle and this angle. If this angle going to be 80 degree, this also going to be 80 degree, because they are vertically opposite angles. You can take one more vertically opposite angles here also. If this angle is 100 degree, this angle also going to become 100 degrees. And if you take one more example, if this angle is 30 degree, this angle is also 30, because they are vertically opposite angles. I'm going to take one more angles, that is angle on a straight line. They are known as adjacent angles. These are known as adjacent angles, and in adjacent angles, this angle plus this angle 1 and angle 2 going to make up a sum of 180 degree. That is angle 1 plus angle 2 going to make up totally 180 degrees. And if you take another one angle, which is, see this one, they're going to ask this angle equal to 30 degree. What is the angle which is called as x? Now you can do it out easily, because x plus 30 degree going to become 180 degree. And now this 30, if you send that side, it's going to become minus 30. So this one equal to x equal to 180 minus 30. Now 180 minus 30 going to become 150. So this x equal to 150 degrees. Now let's take one more angle. Here they have given this one, that is angle which is equal to 80 degrees, and this angle going to equal to y. These are also adjacent angles. So 80 plus y going to be equal to 180 degrees. And you can send this 80 that side. It's going to become 80 into minus 80, y equal to 180 minus 80, which is equal to 100 degrees y value. Let's take one more angle. Here you can take one more. Here also they have given this as uh, uh, 75 degree. And what's the value of this one? That is value of x. Here x plus 75 equal to 180 degrees. Now if you send this 75 that side, it becomes minus 75. So x equal to 180 minus 75. 180 minus 75 equal to 105 degrees. Now I take one more problem. Here they have given vertically opposite angles. Here this angle they have given us 75 degree. You need to tell what's the value of x and what's the value of y. Here y and 75 degree are vertically opposite angles. You're going to get y equal to 75 degrees. And now you can even do these two are adjacent angles on a straight line. You're going to get x plus 75 equal to 180 degrees. Now send that 75 that side, it becomes minus 75. So x equal to 180 minus 75. 180 minus 75 going to become 105 degrees. Now I take one more angle. Here they have given that is corresponding angles. If you take two parallel lines, then this angle is known as, these two angles are known as corresponding angles. Here angle 1 and angle 2 are corresponding angles. Both are above the parallel lines and right side of this transversalis, and 3 and 4 going to become corresponding angles. Even 5 and 6 are corresponding angles. Here 7 and 8 are also corresponding angles. They are always going to be equal. If you take one more angle, they are known as alternating angles. If you take the one parallel line, another parallel lines, and here you going to get this angle is alternating to angle 1, alternating to angle 2, and this angle, that is angle 3, is alternative angle to angle 4. These are known as alternate interior angles. I going to tell what are alternate exterior angles. Here you take this angle 5 and this angle 6. Those two are also equal. They are known as alternate exterior angles. Here angle 7 and angle 8, they are known as alternating exterior angles. Let's do some problems in it. Here they have given two parallel lines and they have given this angle's value equal to uh, 60 degree, and what's the value of x and what's the value of y. You can find that this angle and this angle are alternating angles, so you're going to get x equal to 60 degree and x plus y going to make 180 degree, so you can write x plus y equal to 180. Here x we found out at 60, so substitute 60 plus y equal to 180 degree, and now send this 60 that side. It's going to become y equal to 180 minus 60, which equal to 120 degree. Now let's do some more problems of this. Here you need to find out the value of z. See here z and 60 are also on the same straight line. You're going to get z plus 60 equal to 180 degree, and send that 60 that side. It becomes z equal to 180 minus 60. This 180 minus 60 is 120. That's the value of angle z. Let's take out one more type of angle. Here I going to tell about angle known as this one, that it is corresponding angles, alternating angles. Now vertically opposite angles. Here this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles. This angle is 75, then this also becomes 75. If this is 60, then this is also 60. If it is 90, then this angle is also going to become 90 degree angle. But let's do some more problems which are there in this triangle. In this triangle they have given that this angle is 30 degree, this angle is 60 degree. What's the value of x? You can find it out easily. Sum them all three. 30 plus 60 plus x, which is equal to 180 degree, because sum of angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. 30 plus 60 is 90. 90 plus x, you're going to get as equal to 180 degree, and send that 90 that side. It's going to become minus of 90. X equal to 180 minus 90. 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. Let's take one more triangle. In this triangle they have given this angle as x, this angle as 2x, and this angle as 3x. When all of these are given as x, then also you no need to worry, because you can sum them out. X plus 2x plus 3x, which going to be equal to 180 degree. Now add them. X plus 2x is 3x, 3x plus 3x is 6x, 6x equal to 180 degree. Now this is 6 times of x. If you send that, it comes to denominator. X equal to 180 by 6. Now you can divide 6 one time, 6 3 times 18, 0 comes with it. X equal to 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree, and this angle which is 2x, 30 times of 2, 60 degree, and this angle which is 3x, which is 30 times of 3, which going to become equal to 90 degree. Let's take one more problem. Here they have given a square. In this square they have given this angle equal to 3x, and this angle as y, and this angle equal to 2z. You have given first itself, that is square, so all these four angles equal to 90 degree. So this y angle which is also 90 degree, you're going to get y equal to 90 degree. Then they have given 2z which is also equal to 90 degree, so write 2z equal to 90. This 2 comes, that side comes below, 90 by 2, 2 1 times 2, 45 times is z, so z equal to 45 degrees. And they have given 3x equal to, 3x is also equal to 90 degree, 3 comes that side, it comes below, so x equal to 90 by 3, 3 1 times 3, 3 times 9, 0 with it, x equal to 30 degree. And now you can find out more values of it. Here let's take one more angle, that is they have given pentagon. In pentagon they have told to find out sum of angles. Now you can do it easily. Any side sum of angles is can be written as n minus 2 times of 180 degree. Here pentagon, n is number of sides, since it is pentagon it is 1 2 3 4 5 sides it is made of, so you're going to get here as 5 minus 2 times of 180 degree, and this 5 minus 2 going to become equal to 3, 3 times of 180 degree, 18 times of 3 is 54. Thanks Umapati, your this one. Then 18 times of 3 is 54, so 54 0 comes, it becomes 540 degree. So if you sum out all angles in this pentagon, it going to become 540 degree. You can do the same thing for this hexagon. Let's take hexagon also, sum of angles equal to n minus 2 times of 180, going to get 6 minus 2 times of 180 degree, and 6 minus 2 you're going to get us 4, so 4 times of 180 degree, 18 times of 4 is 72, it's going to become 720 degree. Let's take one more angle. Here they have given a random quadrilateral, but they have given this angle as x, this angle as 2x, this as 3x, and this as 4x. Now you can find its value, find their sum, that is x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x equal to 360 degree. Any quadrilateral sum going to become 360 degree, and x plus 2x is 3x, 3x plus 3x is 6x, 6x plus 4x is 10x, 10x equal to 360, then cancel 1 0 and 1 0, x equal to 36 degree. You can take one more problem. In next page I going to do this problem, that is, let's find out the area of here also. They have given a line, and they have given this angle as equal to x, and this angle they have given equal to 80 degree, 80 degree. And now you can find that out, x plus 80 going to become 180 degree, because it is angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line is 180, and send this 80 degree that side, it becomes minus 80. X equal to 180 minus 80, so x going to become equal to 100 degrees. Now let's take one more problem. Here they have given triangle, they have given this angle is equal to 30 degree, this angle is equal to 70 degree, and find out the value of x. You can do it easily. X plus 30 plus 70 equal to 180 degree. Here 30 plus 70 becomes 100. X plus 100 equal to 180 degree. Send this 100 that side, it becomes minus 100. X equal to 180 minus 100, which becomes equal to 80 degree. And let's take one more triangle. Here also it is the similar, and it is this. How it is similar means, here also they have given here y angle, here they have given 30 degree, and here also angle they have given 30 degree. So y plus 30 plus 30 going to be equal to 180 degree. Now 30 plus 30 you're going to get a 60 degree, so y plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree. If you send that 60 that side, it becomes minus 60. Y equal to 180 minus 60, y equal to 120 degree. Let's take one more problem of the same triangle, and they have given this angle as z, but they have given this angle as 50 degree and this angle also is 50 degree. You're going to get z plus 50 plus 50, which is equal to 180 degree. Now add those two. 50 plus 50 becomes 100, so z plus 100 equal to 180 degree. Send this 100 that side, it becomes minus 100, so 180 minus 100 going to become z equal to 80 degrees. Now let's take one more problem. Here I take one more triangle and two more triangle problems I do. Here they have given this angle is 70 degree, this angle also 70 degree. Find out the angle A. Now we can take 70 plus 70 plus A equal to 180 degree. 70 plus 70 is 140. 140 plus A equal to 180 degree. So now if you send that 140 that side, A equal to 180 minus 140, A equal to 40 degrees. Let's take last triangle problem. Here they have given this angle as 75 degree and this angle as 25 degree. Now you need to find out what's the value of A. Here 25 plus 75 plus A going to become equal to 180 degree, because sum of all three angles equal to 180. 25 plus 75 makes 100 and A plus 100 equal to 180 degree. If you send that 100 that side, it's going to become minus 100. So 180 minus 100, which is equal to A equal to 80 degrees. Now I take one more quadrilateral problems. Here they have a quadrilateral. They have given this angle as equal to 100 degree, this angle as 80 degree, this angle as 120 degree. You need to find out the value of x here. Here also you can find out, because 100 plus 80 plus 120 equal to this one plus x equal to this 180 degree. Now 100 plus 80 is 180. 180 plus 120 going to make 300. So 300 plus x going to become equal to this, not 180 degree, 360 degree. It is quadrilateral. In triangle you must take 180, send that 300 this side, it becomes minus 300. So 360 minus 300, x going to be equal to 60 degree. Now I take line problems. Here take this line. In this line they have given three angles. They have given this angle as 30 degree and this angle as 100 degree, and find out the value of x. You can sum them out. X plus 100 plus 30, which going to be equal to 180 degree. Now x plus 30 equal to 130 degree. So x plus 130 equal to 180 degree, and send this 130 that side, it becomes minus 130. 180 minus 130, x equal to 50 degrees. Let's take one more problem. Here you can take one more problem of that. Here they have given this one, that is x times of here x, and here they have given 2x. X plus 2x equal to 180 degree, because they are angles on a straight line. X plus 2x makes 3x, so 3x equal to 180. And if you take 3 that side, it comes in denominator. X equal to 180 by 3. 3 1 times, 3 6 times, and 0 with it. X equal to 60 degree. I'm going to tell more problems in next video. Bye.